So for your mind, I be mugu, I be fool, or I be maga on a client. Whether they happy say you don't catch clients. So you just I don't know how much they buy for, or how much for the food that tank, or how much they sell engine oil. You don't want me.
See, just give me this money. I don't want something. You know, say now price of things they know they one place. I feel reach there now they go say 1 gallon of oil, the money don't increase or be fuel something. And I don't want to make I reach there now. They will come say, oh, you know, my money no there enough. I'll come back again. Come go back there.
Come back, come sleep. If you no reach, come back, sleep. You sleep. Be like never ready to go service car.
Give me money where your papa say make you give me now. Eh?
And that thing where they do for my ear, I don't like them. I don't like them. If they pepper my ear, move.
Give me money. The money no be from your pocket. Give me money where they say make you give me now.
Come collect them. Maybe they want your mouth. They want my because you survived yesterday. Yesterday, now only hand I bite you. Today, I go bite your mouth, come up for your face.
I go bite you back.
Eh?
Now, I go bite you back. It isn't only you get it. Your teeth and a small picking team. I'm an adult. If I bite you, I go bite you. What's it be that?
You bite me?
Yes, I go bite you.
Where you take the
you do hand like this, who you want catch?
You want bite me?
At least I dey see. If I bite this your hand now, you just say no let you sabi.
Where you dey? No, come now. Okay, it is now only you sabi see. Where you dey now?
Shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you dey shake the nyasho. Baby, shake your bum bum. I'm up and low down. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you do the thing.
Fide. Who are you? Driver.
Stand up now.
Calm down. You calm down now. No be since I don't dey here. 30 minutes now. When you enter inside, when you say you won't go bring the person come. You expect me to make a still stand.
If now 30 minutes now you stand because it no be normal 30 minutes so no. That's 1 hour. You divide them into 2. Small 30 minutes.
Small 30 minutes.
We make I ask you, if you know if you stand for here for just 30 minutes, we think when they give you the ginger and the liver, say you go fit do this job.
Oga, na drive I be o. I no be bodyguard. Na motor come drive. He say waiting give me liver.
What's the difference between bodyguard and driver?
I go sit down, they move. No be say I go stand. What are they stand for now?
In case you don't know, make I remind you. No be tie you can't know. No fit say maybe because you don't sabi not tie and I dare the work for
which kind nonsense? You still say by nodding tie.
You go check yourself.
I be professional driver. Maybe you never know that part. Professional driver. I beg. It is. I don't get time to dey follow all these gate man people. They talk. I beg go call your guy for me. I beg.
Call your guy. They never even employ you. Never achieve the job self. Your mouth just the sharp.
I no suppose they talk to you. What kind of nonsense be that one? Kind something. Just do go call your guy for me. I don't. You don't pass 1 hour while I come this house. Oga no follow you come and nothing. Come there they tell me sad enough time. Where the organ now?
What's be your name?
Let me the doctor.
Now they follow your ancestors to talk. As they don't use your ears, do sacrifice for your village. I've been a French I speak. Which one they worry you?
I know that. Now me they follow talk.
What's be your name, madam?
Not every person no go see you. Say because I find work come in a house. Gate man don't come here talking your own nonsense. You just from there now enter here. You no feel greet. I no rich. I no rich for your eyes. Eh?
David.
Ma?
You open gate for person where they release from Yaba left. May you call the challenge me.
Eh?
Now intentional act be that.
I bet we the release from Yaba left. Come, this speaking. Now what can come find for a place? Wait till be that.
You need to calm down now. She need to see you.
You say waiting.
I say she's blind, so I need to hear.
Eh?
Eh?
She know this. Now I'm not the one like this.
No one did it tell you. Oh.
She know this true.
What is it? I don't want to tell you again.
Okay. Come. Jesus! Security!
Just patient, she will leave you. I deal with you.
Jesus! Get her! Get her!
I deal with you. I deal with you. Don't stop her. Don't knock her. Wait, yes.
Wait for waiting. Open gate. Open gate. Your Oga don't come. Make I wait for Oga. Make you come. Make I tell am wetin happen. Before I go reach office, they go pursue me. Say I dey rude. I no do work. Make Oga come. See my hand. If they bite my hand, come out. Which hand I want to use? They do the driving. Thank God, Oga is here.
David, what took you so long to open the gate?
Sorry, sir. Nah, the new driver wey company people send come, but some madam bite and waiting no good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Good day.
Good day, sir.
Sorry, what happened?
Sir, I'm from company.
Okay.
Company will carry me come say make I come dey drive your pikin. Or I don't know who I want to drive. Wait till your pikin bites me for inside there. No be good thing. I just say make I tell you, make I explain, give you before you go make or tell company say the person where they send they rude, sir.
Alright, I'm so sorry about it.
Yes,
Listen,
sir.
I will sort everything out, alright? Please just give me a little time.
No,
Let me
sir.
talk to her.
No, nothing to sort, sir. I know if you do the job again.
No, you
No,
can't
I
say
just say make I respectfully wait for you to explain, give you. As I don't explain, give you, sir. I have to go.
Hey, come, listen. I'm so sorry. Alright, I'm sorry. Listen, I will sort things out. Just hold on, let me talk to her.
Oga, I know they do this job again. Open gate. I say open gate.
David, open the gate for her.
Open the gate. From which side? Open the gate. I won't do this kind of job again. Open gate. Open gate.
Where's my daughter? Sarah.
Daddy, welcome.
Sarah, I'm not happy with you. What just happened? Huh?
What's up?
Why would you hurt the lady that came to work for you?
That lady, she no get respect.
She doesn't have respect. What do you mean she doesn't have respect?
I no like her.
You don't like her?
A
lady that is old enough to be your auntie. What is it now? Huh?
I don't tell you now. I no like her.
Do you know how many workers have come from different companies to work for you and you chase them out for no reason?
But I tell you, say I no like her now. I no like her. Pick her bring another one from another company.
You think it's easy to bring people to work for you like that?
Bring another person now. Why they make her like a big deal? Bring another person.
Where will I bring another person?
Another company.
What do you mean I should bring another person? More than 17 persons has come to work for you. From different companies. And you're not treating them nice. You're harsh. You're shouting. They're complaining and everybody cannot be lying about it.
I don't understand. Me. Hey.
And you said I should go bring another person. From where? Even the company, they are tired of me.
You don't pay them, my bill, you don't pay them. All you do is show free.
Oh, listen, Sarah, my baby girl.
No, if you pay person now, you expect them to be good now. Pay employ another person, pay and well, make it get sense. What be that thing?
It is not easy to just bring people. You know your daddy is very busy. I travel almost every day for work and meetings. You need somebody to take care of you and drive you around. Please, all I want you to do is to tune down your voice. Don't be harsh. That's all. Please. Can you be reasonable for once? Please. And this lady now, I think I like her because she's a lady and I want a lady to drive you. I don't want a man to come and start driving you. You need people to work for you. Okay?
This company. They send you go one place, they send you go another place tomorrow. This one they bite me. Another time if you go, maybe now break my head, they go break. Yes.
This is Mr. Samuel. You left my house a few minutes ago.
Okay, waiting. Why you they call me again now? Why you they call me again? Your picking don't bite me. The bite your picking bite me, no do you? What do you want from me now? Waiting.
Listen, I'm sorry for what my daughter did to you.
Make I calm down. What do you want take?
I will send you some money for treatment.
Sir? Sir?
I will send you some money for treatment.
Sir, now waiting you for talk this now. Waiting your picking bites me, no good though. No good, sir. Make I send the account number. Thank you, sir. So I they send answer. 0125. Sir, don't send them.
Alright, but please come back for the job.
Sir, see, sir, no, I don't forgive, Sir, don't forgive. But that job, I no go fit, sir. I no go fit come back and do the job, sir. Sorry, sir.
I will double your salary. I need your services, please. I'm serious.
Sir, you say?
300,000 naira per month.
Hey. Sir, 300,000, sir.
I just did it. Please confirm.
You sent the money already, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir. I don't see the money, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir. Hey, sir. Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you very much, sir. 300,000. Yes. Yes, I'll see you tomorrow, sir. I'm not going for this job, but they don't talk and say everybody get price.
Hi, my baby. Look at my baby. Sarah, baby, how are you?
Auntie girlfriend, you don't come again.
Is that a good way to welcome your stepmom?
Who dash monkey banana? Who be stepmom? Who dash that stepmom? I be done the crown yourself.
I will not take insult from you. You see, I came in here smiling. I don't want to go home angry.
Be like my papa don't overhype you too much. You know they get yourself again. Abi, you don't even shout for me from my house. Hey, Google, be careful, oh. Now express they go. May no enter so make I know it too. You hear me? Be calm me down.
What does that mean?
What it means say, may you no stress me. My papa dey even.
I will not be angry today, okay? I love you.
Now you know. They call yourself stepmom. Stepmom. Nobody give you stepmom. You dey answer stepmom. All these overforced girlfriend there. Una too dey force yourself to man. Especially man who don't born. Especially the one who don't born like 1 or 2 pikin. Go just chook yourself when you know say time no dey for you again. No more single man go man. You just chook yourself, enter. What is by first girlfriend? Stepmom.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby girl. How are you?
I'm good.
My queen.
How are you?
I'm good. Well, I'm not good. The doctor said I need you.
Okay.
And now you're here. And rest assured that I'll be fine.
Maybe if you start from the leg.
Right?
Top.
Missed you.
I missed you
The
too.
love of my life.
No. I'm not the love of your life. Your daughter is.
My daughter. My daughter is my daughter and you're my woman.
But I'm not the love of your life. She is.
Come on, baby, let's not start again.
We're already starting. She talks to me anyhow. I do nothing about it. She talks to me as if I'm nothing to you.
What else do you want me to do? I have talked to her and I'll keep talking to her.
No, scold her. Or better still, punish her.
Babe. She's just a kid. Come on, don't be like that.
That's why you should correct her now that she's young.
Stop it. You're here to see me. I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
Are you sure? How much do you miss me? My doctor said I need you every day.
Can have it.
Morning.
Night. So bad, you know.
Who cook this nonsense? And how mommy cook this nonsense? What's this? What's this?
Sorry, what's the meaning of that?
The food it's too peppery. It makes sense. It's too just there. It's empty. The pepper is too much. Hey, it's not sweet at all. It's just there empty.
Sarah, that's a lie. Alright? Yes. I'm eating it. I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying this food.
Of course I am doing It's delicious. Isn't it? It is.
Well, one man food is another one poison. This is potty. This is rubbish. Who cook am? I mean, buy am. Make a day lie. I been a because of person feeling. Hey.
Babe.
I don't dey chop again now. But meat today at all. I chop meat.
You have a lap of chicken in your food.
Not be to get lap now, to get sense. I make the lap make sense.
Okay.
You want this meat at all? Why you taste blood?
Sarah, that's enough. Okay? If you don't want to eat the food, you drop it on. And I'll get you something else. That's enough.
Okay, you get it.
Drop the food.
Look, I just manage them. Let me just manage it. Because if I don't eat it, nobody will eat it.
You said it's tasteless, right? Leave it alone.
It's just waste. We don't have doggo. Let me just manage it. Let me help and just. If I'm not eating, I will be like I'm afraid. Let me just. Awesome.
Babe, please, just allow me.
Don't come back late.
I will not come back late, my love.
Make your favorite.
My favorite. Listen. Once you call me that my food is ready, guess what? I will leave whatever I'm doing and come back to eat your food.
Thank you. So please.
Yeah.
Start doing.
My love, how was the night? Hope you slept well.
Yes.
You did?
Yes, I did.
All right. Daddy's about going to work, but your driver will be here soon. Yes.
I'll say this one will get sense.
Come on. You should be nice sometimes, my daughter. Listen, it's the same girl yesterday. Okay, I called her back and she decided to take the job back. All right? Please, be nice to her. Okay?
No problem.
Good. That's my daughter. Baby, before I go, this is 200,000 naira. Okay? Please, when she comes, the driver, give her this money. Tell her to get fuel in the car and also use the remaining money to service the car.
I don't understand. Waiting down and coming now. Una they cover me for my own house. Why una go judge the car? Why you want me to fix my own car? You dey give your auntie girlfriend.
Are you shouting at me? Why that tune? Huh?
Sorry, there's someone now.
If you want to talk, you can talk, but don't raise your voice.
Sorry.
Good.
Hold on, Pepe body. Don't come back.
Wetin concern you? Eh?
Don't concern me. Now my body for the show and the small pikin one chew finish yesterday. You know if you do anything.
Who chew you?
You reach my side now. You
Who chew you? Come, make you day your day. Oh. Make you just day your day. Nothing concern you with one picking wey chew me. You who they chew you?
I know go sabi for my day one now. Now why they no chew me?
Oh, now why they no
rush,
chew you?
rush.
Ordinary gate now you no go feel open.
Baby. Listen, you know I love you so much. And you know she's my only daughter, my precious child. But please, just for peace to reign. Alright, let me give her the money. It's the same thing. I mean, she can also give the driver. Just for peace to reign. I love you. Alright, listen, don't be rude. Like I said. Now, this is the money. Yes. This is 100,000 naira. Okay? 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. 200,000 naira in total.
Okay.
So when she comes, give her the money.
Okay.
Will that make you happy? But don't be rude. Okay?
Okay.
Baby, I will see you once I'm back. Alright? I'm brightening up now. Why are you acting like this? Brighten up. I love you. Smile. Good. See you soon.
Madam, what's happen? Wait till you find come.
I no find you come.
I go now. The first way you find come, go call Oppo Gates for you.
Vero?
Oh. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You're here?
Yes, sir.
Listen, first of all, I want to say sorry for what happened yesterday. Honestly, it wasn't intentional. And I have gathered every information I need about you. And I believe you know what is involved in this job. Good. So please, I want you to, be patient with my daughter. She's just a small girl. Alright? I just want you to tolerate her excesses, at least for now. I believe in no time everything will fall in place. Okay?
Sir, no problem. Like this now, we don't see 9900 refuse again.
Good, good. I like that. Alright, I gave her some money, 200,000 naira. She will give it to you. So please, get fuel and then use the remaining money to service the car. Alright, you can start work. Alright, good to see you around there. Alright. David, open the gate.
Where are you? Excuse me. Bucket, why are you still wash the car? Huh? No be person that they follow talk. Anyway, just sort myself out.
Just they cover me because I blind. Now I wonder why you persist.
Useless blind fool. That said just doesn't know who she's up against. I will deal with her in a way she will ever regret being born. She wants to come in between my plans with her father. You're not ready for what is about to hit you. You're not ready.
Listen to you. Why you still stand there? They look me bad eye. You want to shoot me with your eyes?
This girl. Are you sure you're blind? Are you really sure you're blind? Because how can you see that I'm standing here?
They play. Are you really sure you are blind? I see you with my third eyes. That line where they say, goat will no get tail. Now God they chase fly for him. Now play to you, Abby. The line I play to you. If your eyes now gone, for all you shoot me pieces. But no work for you, yeah? If you look me finish, you go and sit down and sleep. Want to take my position by all means. Say they blind me, say I know what they see. I know what they take my this thing. I'm very lucky. I for use this to break your head. I'm very, very lucky. Stupid human being. Want to take my position. Want to say I blind. Say if person blind, make they call the cheat on now. 200,000 for motor. Yeah.
No be choice, this guy you get it plenty money. I go spend it on you till you shout hallelujah. No be choice, this guy you get it plenty money. I go spend it on you till you shout hallelujah. Hallelujah, all rise on me. Hallelujah, all rise on me. Shake your body now, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you dey shake the nyasho. Baby, shake your bum bum. Baby, make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you dey shake the nyasho. Baby, shake your bum bum. I'm up in no doubt. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, know the door. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, know the door. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you do the thing.
Fide. Who are you?
Driver.
David.
Madam!
Get everything on that list at the supermarket.
Okay. My God, babe.
Babe. So let me build this house.
You don't know the owner of this house.
Hey, ordinary babe. Now her pride dey like that. If they marry this one fast, problem go deal.
One man, this way, God, he said, he can't like, you know, how shit. A lot of people don't like him.
I know say that pikin self get her own problem, but who would like this kind of person? Who?
Shut up, the man, people wash me.
I beg, shut up, go buy wetin they send you for supermarket. Fucking nonsense. Jutes. Don't go buy something they send you. Can you get out? Can you get out, please? Get out. Too much familiarity. Your father say he give you money, so you give me what I go use to service motor and put fuel. You no complete. The money no complete.
So, what you want ma do? Ma cry. What you make her no complete? How much you be want ma give you?
200,000.
As waiting. As how?
Your father say make I service the car, make I still buy oil, make they put new oil, make I buy fuel.
So for your mind, I be mugu, I be fool, or I be maga on a client. We don't dey happy say you don't catch clients. So it is I don't know how much they buy fuel, or how much for they food that tank, or how much they sell engine oil. You don't want me.
See, just give me this money. I don't want something. You know, say now price of things they know they one place. I feel reach there now they go say 1 gallon of oil, the money don't increase or before something. And I don't want to make I reach there now. They will come say, oh, you know, my money no there enough. I'll come back again. Come go back there.
Come back, come sleep. If you no reach, come back, sleep. You sleep. Be like never ready to go service car.
Give me money where your papa say make you give me now. Eh?
And that thing where they do for my ear, I don't like them. I don't like them. If they pepper my ear, move.
Give me money. The money no be from your pocket. Give me money where they say make you give me now.
Come collect them. Maybe they want your mouth. They want my because you survived yesterday. Yesterday, na only hand I bite you. Today, I go bite your mouth, come up for your face.
I go bite you back.
Eh?
Now, I go bite you back. It isn't only you get it. Your teeth say na small pikin, till my own na adult. If I bite you, I go bite you. What's it be that?
You bite
yesterday. Yes, I go bite you.
Where you take the
you dey do hand like this, who you want catch?
You want bite me?
At least I dey see. If I bite this your hand now, you just say no let you sabi.
Where you dey? No, come now. Okay, it is now only you sabi see. Where you dey now? Auntie girlfriend, you don't cook. You don't finish the food.
As what? Your chef?
Shebi you say you go cook. If you cook, you know give me. I better not follow the house.
And you think I was cooking for you?
Yeah.
I thought you said my food is so spicy, so why do you now need my food?
I don't like now. I like. Your food is so spicy. You know, you're making the English look sweet. I not say they spicy. If you say spicy, go sweet for you. Pepper too much. The food will choke person. I chop finish. If person want go shit, you yash go the pepper am. Now so your food day. I not say spicy. So if you cook like that, now man can't hide my mouth. Say I know I make you feel bad. No, I go talk my mind. The food too pepper. Yeah.
And you still want it?
I want to manage it. Because I cannot do anything about it. If I don't eat it, you will eat it. It will waste. And we don't waste food in this house.
If you don't apologize to me, she will never taste my food in this house again. Did you hear me?
Me. Apologize for food where will purge me. Purge the way you want give me, now go apologize. If I apologize, my bend. Me apologize. No cook am now. See this one no. No cook. I go cook am myself, chop am. It is hard. I know no, in fact, no cook am. If person yes, they threaten me with say no, give me food, no, give me. They go to say na food where they cook with long life and prosperity. They not gonna say na poison, no. Now they threaten me for poison, ordinary poison. No cook again. I will cook what I go chop. You hear me? Good.
Do you know you're so rude?
I use a raw body. Now what do they use know me now? If I know rude, who want rude for me? God, they give you opportunity to cook for us. Come on, already. Who be this? Jesus. Why you go push me now? Why you push me? Why you push me now? Why you push me? Your God save you. Kukuma the witch. That's just disappear. No sign of you again. Why you push me? If you get mad, come push me again. Come push me again. They push me. Now me do you. Now me tell me you no learn food for your mama. They go cook, now go go outside. Now go they play up and down. Now you don't enter my house. They cook potty. They cook rubbish. You ain't no reach down. You ain't no reach down. Enter kitchen. You go they cook ukwa in the name of Indomie. Nonsense. Cooker. Oh, I will shock you. Say the blind can cook. Cook. Don't give me letter, man. No want. Where is this keep lighter? Where lighter dey? Where lighter dey? Oh. Venita! Venita!
Want to cook, right? In my kitchen. You cook fire. This is just the beginning. This is what they call I rest my case. Let the cooking begin.
I gas with this. Venita! 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 Who locked this door now? When did I start the locked door? Venita! Venita! Open this door. If I come out there, I will cut your head off. Venita! Venita, open this door. I swear, if I come out there, I will knock this thing for your head, Venita. Open this door. Venita!
Jesus! Hey! Come! Waiting now! Jesus! Waiting! Why you do like this?
Na driver dey here.
My
driver?
Yes!
Oh, and I wasted target.
Which one be wasted target?
You don't chop wages of another person sink. Come on for road first.
Come. Where you dey go like
Come
this?
on for road. Come on for road.
Wetin happen?
Come on for road.
Wetin dey make your blood go? Calm down first. Calm down first now. Wait, see.
Come on for road now. I'm gonna knock you this thing
What
up.
we waiting? Calm down. Wetin be the problem? Eh?
Come on first. Come on.
Wait, see. Oya, wait. Oya, tell me. Waiting cause problem. Wait now.
Daddy,
My princess.
that anti-girlfriend no be better person. I don't like her.
Hey. Auntie Venita is daddy's love. You don't speak ill of people like that.
But she no be better person. Those kind of people, you not even supposed to be. They make friends with them.
Listen, you know what? We'll talk about this some other time.
No, we go talk about her now because now urgent matter. Because no, we talk about her now. I beg. That lady wicked. She no be better person. I no say that because she like am they do all these things. Person wey no like your pikin no like you. Now only you I get. I no go let me something happen to you.
And now only you I get to. It's fine. I've heard you. But at least can I investigate her? Then if I find anything fishy, I will stay away from her.
Wetin you wan investigate? So I dey want you. That's wetin you dey try talk now. I no know wetin I dey talk. See, me better do something now before this light go turn to fire. You know, it make sense. So. But you see today now, if I tell you say I never chop, you no go believe her. She cook, she no give me. I enter kitchen, ma find something to chop. She lock me inside kitchen. E good?
Venita did that to you?
No, I didn't do that. Why would your daughter accuse me of such a terrible act?
So you mean she's lying?
Maybe. It's obvious the door jammed or something. I prepared a nice meal. I served her, but she said she doesn't want to eat. I made trash. I begged her. I said, okay, let me fix something else for you to eat. You know your daughter. She said no, that she wants to make it herself. And I left her to eat.
Alright, it's okay. But please, my love, I want to beg you again. Please, try and tolerate my daughter and be at least patient with her. In no time, everything will be fine. Please.
You're not being serious, right?
I'm dead serious.
You know your daughter is very problematic. You know, right?
Baby, stop. She's not.
She is! So you need to talk to her!
Baby, she's just a kid.
She's a kid?
Yes.
You see my problem with you. You're taking sides with her and that is why she's constantly misbehaving. If you scold her, she won't do it again.
Baby, listen. She's my daughter. My only daughter. And you should also see her as your daughter. All I want you to do is just be patient with her. I have told you countless times that if you are patient with her, she will come around. Please. That's all I want from you.
What do you mean by being patient? Taking all her insults, all her excesses, is that what you mean patient?
Can you be patient with her? For me?
You know what? I'm just tired of this whole rubbish. Please go and talk to your daughter because the next time I won't take it. Go and talk to her. She should behave. She's a kid. She should behave like one. You shouldn't be here. You should be in her room talking to her.
Easy. It's okay. I'll handle it.
You better do.
My princess. Food is ready. Let's go to the dining and eat.
I know they chop.
You don't want to eat? Why?
I don't trust that woman. I know they chop her food again.
My princess. Why are you making things difficult for you and I?
What do you mean by why am I making things difficult for you and I? I don't understand them. I said I don't want to chop her food again. You want me to die? I don't blind. When I want to make her die,
God forbid.
I die join.
You're not going to die. God forbid. I can't lose. I can't lose you. Alright, it's fine. I'll be getting you food. But the thing is, what will you do when I'm not around? How will you eat?
My driver day.
Your driver day. Okay, no wahala. But you have not eaten this morning. You need to eat something.
I don't want chop. But if you buy me anything, I could chop.
Alright. I'm coming.
Babe, this is not funny. I'm not taking it again. Everything I'm doing to be the first in his heart, it seems I'm pouring water on the stone or something. This girl has a large space in his heart. She comes first in everything. My presence seems to mean nothing. I don't like it. I don't like it.
No, I do not like that. I mean, since he has marriage plans, you need to strategically remove whatever poses like a threat to your peace and authority in that marriage.
Exactly what I'm doing. But it's seen harder than I thought. Can you imagine earlier today? I made something nice, something spicy. Do you know what she said? She said she won't eat my food any longer. Then do you know what that man did? Instead of sitting her down, telling her what is good and what is wrong, he bought her food from a restaurant.
Listen, this is more serious than I thought. He loves that girl too much and you need to break that love, else you will come second in that relationship.
I will never let that happen. Never. Over my dead body.
You have to shine your eyes so that Sansan no go enter your garri. Do you understand?
I will deal with that girl. Hi, baby. I'm set to go.
You're set already? My love.
Are you missing me already?
Of course. Is it not obvious?
It's obvious, but you have somebody. You have the love of your life.
Maybe don't start again.
Okay, sorry.
She's our daughter, alright?
Okay, but she can keep you company, right?
Okay, good.
Oh, I'm just teasing you.
I know what you're doing. I know what
you.
you're doing.
Okay, don't miss me too much.
I'm missing you already. We are supposed to spend the weekend together. I don't know why you want to disappear.
But you know where I'm going. Okay, I'm just going to tell you something. Close your eyes and open your eyes. I'll be back. Let me just do this. It's very important.
My eyes are open.
You did it.
Of course.
But you were too fast to open your eyes.
Baby, please be back home soon.
I will.
Alright? Love you.
Love you too.
All
right. I love you too.
Take care of yourself.
I will,
Please
and you
call
too.
me when you get to your destination.
Sure, I will.
Alright.
What is nonsense game? Driver! You go send her in, she go go Z. Driver! Driver!
What?
What that thing you buy for me?
White rice, beans and stew.
What you buy for me?
White rice, plantain and stew.
Why you buy plantain?
They don't get beans.
Then as they don't get beans, I tell you say if they don't get beans, maybe help me buy plantain.
No ma.
So what you make you buy the plantain, ma?
Because I say as beans, no, the man just use plantain to replace them.
Okay. As your mind tell you say as beans, no, they may use plantain replace am. Please help me carry this thing. Carry and go replace am. Because I know chopper. I don't eat plantain. Carry it and go replace. And this time around, you are buying jollof rice and chicken for me. Not just one chicken, 2 chicken wings. Fast.
Madam, I feel I really try to you. As it be say no this thing there.
As it be say wetin no dey.
No beans.
As beans no dey. Your brain no tell you say you suppose call me to ask me wetin you go use replace am. Now your mind tell you make you replace am with plantain. I don't know why person go grow finish. You no get sense. I don't know why. It dey man use this thing knock sense enter your head. You don't carry this thing. You don't carry this thing.
Ma wrong go replace am.
What you see you this guy, you don't get sense. You want replace am, the food still there here. You want replace am, the food still there here. Driver! Driver! Who be this girl? This girl will do like command. Driver! Vero, they tell you on my food for road there. You want my kick or come give you before you give me my food? Vero, what did they owe you on my food now?
Hello. Sorry ma. Go slow in the road and people say plenty for this place.
I don't want to concern me now, Vero. Vero, carry my food, go give me now. Carry my food, go give me now. I know that this is the way they do. I say you may buy food since. You see the road till now. Now just 15 minutes and they give you that food. If I don't see you here, anything where you see, take am. Anything where I do, you take am. You hear what I talk? If I don't see you under my food 15 minutes, you go see the other side of me. Which kind of rubbish be this one?
Mother, child. Huh? See your food. I beg no vetting. That place where they sell that food, I don't know whether they ring bell for everybody today. Now so the line long. And now it make me no vex.
Carry this thing, come on here.
Madam, not do like that now. I try well because you know say you tell me say you dey hungry. That make me even at a point I won't come up for that place. But I know say you really like their food. That make me still wait. Eh?
I say may you carry and come out. I don't want it again.
Madam, I don't say sorry now. Eh? Sorry.
Carry and come out. Now I want force her inside my mouth. I don't want chop again. Move. When I need that, you know, come. Now when you know the hungry me, you come. I beg carry and come out. No put me for talk.
Sorry, ma. Eh, sorry.
Come out now. Say me, I don't want chop again. I don't want chop again. Ah. Come out from my side. I know the chop.
If maybe to say you don't die, I feel just feed you the food though.
Who be this person with there here? Who are you? Who there inside your body? I say may you come out too. I think me I know they even see yourself. I say may you, if I catch you with this now, go break your head. Come out. I don't want again. I not the hungry again. I don't want. Go throw away.
Madam, to waste food no good now.
And then me I say carry and come out. If you spoil me, say no like am. And if you say you still there around there, come on here now. Come on here, they do you.
Madam,
I say I no want chop again. You see they talk. Who be this person? Who are you? Who be this person? You dey mad? Carry and come out. I no want again. You dey force me. When I tell you you bring food, you no bring. Now day break. Now snail like you don't walk out reach by. And they call you Cincy. You dey do like say you know your they know they sell your parts for markets. No worry. Mama go there. No dey chop again. Vero?
not much too much.
Microwave my food.
Which food?
My food now.
You be saying you need to chop the food again.
I want chop am now, madam. Microwave and give me. I dey dining.
Madam, wait first. You know say you be telling me say you don't want to chop the food again. See, make I carry and come out.
I don't tell you say I want chop am. What be your problem?
The food no dey again.
What happen to am?
As you say, make I carry and come out. I can't chop am.
You can't chop am. You can't chop am. You chop my food. You dey mad.
Yes,
You don't say you dey craze.
I know say I dey craze. Sorry.
Bomb dey your head.
I know, sorry.
You chop your madam food.
Sorry.
Voila now. I'll come out the money for your salary.
Madam, no do
As
like
you
that.
no get
No do
respect.
like that. You say you don't want to chop the food again. Say make I carry and come out.
Now me still come back there. Nah. Say me you find my food for me now.
But if you don't say you don't want them again,
I go come out for your salary now.
which can not do this kind
Go
of thing.
go still buy food for me. I go still come out again.
Which kind of problem is this one? Now, which kind of small picking is this one? Now you didn't say you don't want to chop food again. Which one you say you go come out for salary again? Let me see you. If you just if I need this thing back, I'll give her one. So you know, this trying problem, this one. What's my office for you? I don't even chop everything for me. Hey. Oh, welcome. Hey. Some bad.
Veronica, if you say my talk, so I will talk, we say, if you even quit this job now, say if you try. I swear. Try you. Because all the old people where they carry, they come, they work for that girl, nobody is stay. Even the last one self will come. That is the person will come. That's the person will come before you come. That one at midnight she take run. I swear. We just wake up, we don't just see him again, we just they shout her name. Caro. We don't say I'm God, so she's a bag. So if you even quit now, if you try, now you don't stay the longest duration, I swear.
See, that person, a small picking like that, could get that kind bad pepper body.
Rich man children now. They get respect. They train them well now.
No be like that, no be all of them. Because if you look this one, Papa, it was a better man. And you know if you open the eye, they look in picking, make it spoil. You know it's possible. Yes.
So, for your own opinion, what's happening?
And if you say something, they do that picking. They get me see the worry and wait, they never find out.
You really get time. So you just carry your time. They spend that on person when you even send your papa. If I be you, I would just go find another job. At least the earlier the better. Now only how long you don't stay. Go find another job. It's never too late.
Alright. It's never too bad reach like say I no go fit handle am. I go fit still handle her.
You fit handle am now. She break your head down. They don't be here with you. And the bites they bite to the last time.
Drink your head. She never bad reach like that. You fit still handle her. But you said David when they talk. Now don't be here you don't work. How many years you don't work here now?
4 years.
4 years.
4 to 5 years. I'm not mistaken.
And you never reason to come out for the house with all the while where the picking the two. But you want to make me wait just coin. Don't reach to be so I coin. You want to make I come out. People. This one chop your match. You know if you talk again. Why did you smile?
If you don't know, with time you will know. If you don't know, with time you will know.
Just say. Small beginning of you just did like that, get that kind pepper body, bad character. They talk to everybody in here. It must get something in the worry. If Papa self no dey too dey one place. I go see wetin I go do.
I can hear you, but I don't think you understand what I'm talking about. It is very simple, Mr. Man. I said I need somebody that is matured, someone that can take good care of my daughter. How is that difficult for you to understand? Listen, I need a proper maid, Mr. Man. You cannot just bring anybody to come take care of my only daughter. You're telling me that you send someone, you send 2 persons. I need a matured person. Alright? How is that difficult for you to understand? Please, if you don't have anything serious to say, you just call me back later or just hang this call, please. I don't want to change my mood. Please, later I'll call you back. What kind of nonsense is this?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How was the night?
It was good, sir. Sir, please, can I ask you something?
Okay, what is it?
Sir, you know this, I say opportunity comes with once. And if you don't open my talk, your destiny help think say you don't jump by the food. And sincerely, I still dey hungry.
Vero, can you just go straight to the point? What are you talking about?
Sir. What I'm saying is, sir, I can do the maid job.
You can do the maid job?
Yes, sir.
You can take care of my daughter? Is that what you're saying? But you are already her driver, so...
Sir, I know they even to drive. I know they to drive. Your pikin no get anywhere where she did go. Make her just add them to the driving work. That's the maid work. I will do am well. If you no go come out.
All right, no problem. I will think about it.
Sir, I will think about it. No be yes, or no be no.
Can you go back to your duty post? I will think about it and I will get back to you.
All right, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. David. Yeah, it's David.
My friend, come out and open the gate.
My princess, what do you think about your driver?
I don't like him.
Why?
She no be better person. She dey pretend. She no dey serious. If I talk to her, she go dey act like say me and her dey play. Those kind of people dey pretend a lot.
My princess, you have to take it easy on her. She will learn.
She no go learn. And I no want her make she learn am for this house. Make she leave.
Don't be like that. I want her to work with you. And I want her to be close to you. And with that, I can monitor her. Alright? She volunteered that she can multitask. She can work as a driver and also help you.
Help me as how?
You need help.
I don't need help. Why you want to risk my life with help? Person tell you say you want help me, you no go ask me. Which kind of mistake you go make like this? I no say you go accept them. I no want. You know they do this thing to me now. You want to kill me?
My princess, you're not dying. Listen, I promise you, I will monitor her.
No monitor her with my life. You are risking my life for me. No monitor her with my life, I beg.
Nothing will happen to you.
I no want now. I no want. Make everybody do their own. I no like them.
Yes, I can hear you. All right, just send everything. Do my. Yes, come in. As documents now, of course.
Good morning, sir.
Vero.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
And how was your night?
Fine, sir.
Good.
Sarah, how are you?
Just fine. Just fine. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So first thing, I will take you inside, show you your room, and then I want you to settle in, rest for today.
Okay, sir.
Please. And tomorrow you start working.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Thank you, sir.
All right. Let me show you your room.
All right, sir.
Yes, my beautiful daughter.
I don't buy the idea of that girl staying in this house. I don't like her.
You don't like the idea? Why? Let me ask.
I don't like her. I don't just want her.
What do you mean you don't want her? Listen, you need somebody to always assist you. You need an assistant in this house. Alright?
I don't need anybody. Now me go tell you what I want. I don't need assistant. I don't need assistance of any.
You need someone to be taking good care of you. I am not always around at home. And moreover, it's risky for her to be coming from home every single day. So I have to put her in the house to take care of you.
Now me wear my shoe. Now me know how they do me. So I beg, I don't want them. If she can't there now, you will call the give her some kind of audacity. I beg.
Sarah, you're just too difficult. Listen. Listen.
Your daddy wants the best for you. Alright? I need her to be here so she can be working with you. She'll be at your beck and call. Anytime you need her, she will always be here to work for you. Any services you want, she's here to provide for you. So why are you stressing yourself over nothing? I'm your father. I know what is best for you. So listen to me. Do you understand now? Good.
Baby, sorry, what time is your flight again?
4 p.m., baby.
4 p.m. I would have loved to come see you at the airport, but I have a lot of work choking me. You know my manager traveled and I'm standing in for him.
I can come see your pretty face before flying.
Baby, I would have loved that, but if you come here, I won't even see you because I'm choked up. Do you know what it means to be choked up? I'm choked up. I'm not even seeing myself right now.
I understand, my love. I got my daughter a maid. Please try check on Serafina from time to time.
Don't worry, that's a minor thing. I will go and check on her once I finish work. All right, darling. Take care too. I love you. Kiss, kiss. Rubbish. No, you should have hired me as a nanny now. Pay me, pay nanny. Let me be doing nanny work for you because you're a single father. Talk more of that, your idiot daughter that does not have respect for anybody. You mannered fool. What's up now? I've been standing here for a very long time. My shoes are pinning me. I cannot miss this party for anything. I can't miss it for anything. Come and pick me up. I'm tired already. Oh, you're very close. Please come. I'm waiting for you. Okay.
Agnes, where you leave your phone go?
Light's not there now. I go charge am for Bobo shop. How far the walk?
Hey, my sister, you just like say, God carry me, just drop me from this place. I say soft walk. If you see the big house, if you see my room.
You mean
Yes, so for my room, air condition day, shower day, everything. I say like this one day. What are they saying now? Bye bye to poverty. Bye bye to Mr. God good.
Hey, my sister, I'm happy for you.
Agnes,
You see your life.
I'll call you back.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'll call you back. Say. You sleep well?
It's a one so that I sleep well too. What's the concern?
I just dey ask now, Now because of you now I dey this house, so you know.
You sleep well. If you want man sick, you sleep well. You plan man sick before. You want to know whether your plan work.
No now. You know that because of you now I dey here. My madam. How you doing now?
I'm not sick. I'm fine.
I dey say whether you sleep well.
I'm not sick.
Okay, wait you go chop.
Me poison you.
Poison. Hey, if I poison you, no be say na me lose now. Wetin I go gain? Now you be my madam on top, my destiny helper. Tell me wetin you go chop.
Please carry that your sour mouth come off from my side. I don't want. Get behind me, Satan.
Tell me now. See my thing, plenty things dey. Rice dey, yam and egg sauce dey, moi dey, beans and pap dey, moi and pap dey.
I say I don't want. Leave me now. Leave me alone.
I don't want you. Now just dey ask you.
Leave me alone.
Say. Say I be your friend now. Sorry. So the thing they hook somewhere.
Where hook?
It just hook. Wait, man, on hook am. Sorry. Wait, see.
On hook am fast.
I am drag am.
Anna.
Wait, I dey try on hook am. The thing just hook. You know what this thing wey dey do anyhow. Sorry.
Which kind of
wait, just calm down. But wetin you go chop now? So they ask you. Tell me.
Where the hook dey? Where the hook dey?
Same.
The hook dey move. Who be that?
Stacy.
Oh, it a craze.
Huh?
Why you go enter my room, you know, knock?
Oh, okay. No vex. I forget to knock.
Go back, go knock.
Madam, I don't enter already now.
I say, may you go back, go knock. Don't put me for too much talk, I beg.
Madam, no problem. I go go back. Eh? But these clothes, they made me.
Go knock, oh no.
Okay, sorry.
Fast. Go just enter person, just go knock. Go knock. Come in. They see clothes for grand.
I want to see within these clothes, then why I wash they do for you again.
I want me you wash them.
So see, I don't wash these clothes since now, and since when I wash them, you never wear them.
I know. As I never wear them, you don't smell. You go down dirty, so wash them again.
See, you know it smells. Ma put perfume.
I say may you go wash clothes. I don't like the way they too nice. Go wash clothes. Nobody send you message. Go wash clothes, I beg you.
Madam,
Come on my room.
No problem. I go wash them. Okay.
Next time before you enter my room, make sure you knock. I no remind you again. Pretender. I'm pretending. Maybe say you did nice. Who know what you want? You even condition can't do. Because I blind. Now can't they misbehave. Go and take him, my man. This is to break your head. Where the thing dey now? Where the thing dey now? Driver! Maid!
See?
What nonsense?
What's the problem?
Which clothes you give me make I wear?
Now the clothes now, the one where I wash, iron for you to wear.
So I tell you may you wash clothes for me. You carry dirty clothes. You know wash this clothes, swear. Swear say you wash this clothes.
I wash and iron them.
You wash them?
Yes.
You use machine wash them, or you use hand wash them?
Machine.
You use machine wash them?
Yes.
Big man, King. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself now. You dey climb tree where your hand no reach. You use machine. Let's say if you afford the machine, you dey buy am you dey use am for your house. I know they wear clothes when they wash for machine. Now hand wash clothes that they wear.
You for tell me now, eh? You know, see if you tell me I for wash them that time, but now you won't make I go wash them again.
Go and wash it if I go wear them.
Okay, I go wash them. But you need another one where you go wear now because you know see you dey come out. Okay, but make I wash.
Come back. You go wash that one. You If you wash this one, you go iron am well. Then you go come back, I will give you plenty clothes where you go wash, iron again.
No problem. Anything Sarah wants, I'll do it. Okay? Thank you.
You go use and wash the plenty clothes.
Yes, all of them.
Why she come dey act like that? I know too harsh. I soft. I wish she dey pretend. He pain her. Vero,
Ma?
are you mad? So they say you may you can't kill me, Abby? May you find me?
Madam, waiting I do.
What do you do? Why you dey speed like that? You want risk my life?
Madam, which kind of speed? I know the speed now.
Because me, I don't know what I talk now. Or I don't know what to be say person they fly speed.
Okay, sorry, ma. Ma, drive slow.
This motor they move. You they move? Why you park?
I no park, they move. You say make I slow down, and so I just slow down.
May you slow down, now me say we go to work like tortoise.
Madam, you be say the speed they high, now I reduce them.
What did they worry you? You they smoke something you they meant.
You say waiting.
You they crazy.
No, they insult me. No, they insult me. You this speaking. I not be your mate. You they hear me so? No, they insult me.
You not be my mate. Oh yeah, Auntie Senior, park this car. You are fired. Park it. You are fired. Park the car.
Yeah.
Stop.
Don't park the car.
Park am. Park am where? Also, you park am for better place.
Yes, I don't park am. Come drive this motor.
Give me the key.
Come drive this motor.
Give me.
Where the nonsense key dey?
I go drive am. Give me. Get out. Get out of this car. You see there, yeah?
No, it's not even fine. Come, no knock me that thing, no. No knock me that thing now.
Come for this car.
Take her key. See her.
Give me.
Yes.
Give me the car.
Carry that car key.
Give me.
Drive this motor, make I see you.
I go drive am. Who you to say you be?
Come drive am. That motor where is a bit. Come drive am.
Who you to say you be? I know drive my car.
Yes, drive am.
Who you to say you be? Now,
Okay, drive am. Drive am.
Say
May you know say na road you dey enter so. May you know say na road you dey enter.
Park the car for
Na
road.
road you dey enter
Why
so.
you park am for
See where
road?
motor dey. See motor for here. Yes.
I go do am.
Yes.
Get
yes.
out.
That place where you dey enter so na where steering dey. Oh yeah, they go. They go. You go drive motor from that place today.
No concern.
Yes, you go drive am. Pikin one senior go dey talk to me anyhow.
Go and chop your senior.
Ma go chop the senior.
Chop am. Na work.
No problem.
You don't know your work at all.
I don't know my work. Yes, you go drive that motor today.
I don't blame you. I shock my enemies. They are driving nonsense.
Okay.
Vero. She come out. Vero.
Wetin happen?
I bet go help me start am first.
Why help you start waiting? I just say you sabi drive motor.
Help me start am.
Who go start am? No. They no dey help driver start car. As e be say you wan drive motor, now you go first start the car. Then you go drive and they go.
Oh, yeah.
No be me go start, another person go come drive. You be driver, abi? Drive am. You dey here now, they run your mouth say you sabi. Oh yeah, drive the motor. Drive am.
Oh yeah, no vex. The thing, I don't know say you get hot temper like that.
Man, no vex. Hey, God, that. Okay, so you sabi tell somebody sorry, no vex. You sabi am.
Come down, man, we dey leave the sun too much.
If no be because of God, then answer I get conscience. If no be because of God, answer I get conscience. I better calm down. Calm down. Your mouth go dey run as if say you go fit do anything. Person go just they do pass themselves. See am, don't carry motor keep everywhere. I better enter. But do pass yourself.
Oh, God, I beg you, kind driver, which kind thing is this?
Sarah. Sese. This is our journey. You style foul. Okay. I think all music small. Make her for fit make her for no go sleep.
Oh no. You know loud.
No, it no go loud. It no go loud.
Baby, make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you do the thing now. Shake your bum bum. Baby, make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you do the thing now. Shake your bum bum. Baby, make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you do shake the nasho. Shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you do shake the nasho. Baby, shake your bum bum.
You like her?
Shake your bum.
Hey, I see you know.
Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. See that you give me, girl, me I like 'em. Anything you want, girl, me I buy 'em. I go carry you, go to Toronto. Enter my motor, make we zoom. No be choice, this guy you get it plenty money. I go spend it on you till you shout hallelujah. No be choice, this guy you get it plenty money. I go spend it on you till you shout hallelujah. Hallelujah, all rise on me. Hallelujah.
Say. I say, today, you surprise me. The guy laugh when you did laugh. I say, Like the same thing I know that another one. You see happiness, nothing sweet past that happiness. Just they smile, and it fits you. I don't know if they don't tell you, it fits you well. Don't be every time you go to squeeze face. Like say maybe they tell you one kind bad slap. Oh no, I know what as for you squeeze face, that's why they war. You understand? But thank God, today, you smile, everything don't do okay. See.
But very you dey mad. You smoke toilets. I don't understand. No, something they worry your head. So because I smell with you today, now they give you audacity to talk to me like that.
Sarah now. No be you because me and that follow con. Now what's in the happen?
Vero.
Sarah.
Vero. Vero. Who give you the right to talk to me like that? You see why you no good to relate with people? Now why you no good like see wahala?
Sarah, they calm down.
They send you.
They calm down now. They calm down. Why should they like this? Your body go just they pepper you up. Or say everything you need for this life you get them. Even me like this, I define small thing for life. Things will not even be saying money not too day, life not too easy. But on that, I did still try to be happy. You will be saying you get everything for this life. Nothing what you want now your father not go fit give you. You got a squeeze face. Your heart go just the vex. What happen? They calm down, money you not get me, she should come but we no get. But small thing, I see they find happiness, they happy. Life too short, make you enjoy am.
Money no be everything. Now would they happy? They enjoy life. Come on from my room, Vero.
Never reach like that now. My say.
Vero, come on from my room.
You don't do now. Which one be come on for?
Come on from my room.
Oh yeah, just stay. Hey, Sarah, I did sorry. I did sorry. The thing why I talk, I'm not talking to make you vex or to come make you come start to the cry. I did really sorry.
Pero, I did sorry. I did sorry say I did treat you this way. Me self, I no even plan to dey treat people like this. No be say na so I dey. But it won't be for me. You see me here. They put me for suffer. I suffer well for this life. I know say I never enter life, but the little one who I don't dey. I suffer. We know the seafood chop. My heart dey always heavy me anytime when I see other children they go school. Me, I know they go school because I don't get money. I go always dey dustbin. We go dey pack all this so that we fit sell chop. You go dey do me like say my whole life dey different. Later. And so God come bless my papa small. Me will come dey enjoy what we done the suffer since. Na so bad belle go. They attack us. They shoot my mama for my front. See what's in it with my eyes. I'm not even ashamed to open my eyes to anybody. And the compound I enter my eyes as they shoot my mama. And then like this now, I don't blend forever. I don't go see again. They just damage everything. They damage my life. They damage my dream. Everything. If not you go happy. Don't tell me what's now I'm happy for like this now. What's it gonna make me happy for this life? What's it? I don't get anything now it gonna make me happy. Which happiness I want to see. I don't get anything. I don't get. I make. Look, say bad.
You know, say, I don't even know something like this every day. And that is why then they always tell people, say, if you know to know person, if you don't know what person they go through, say, Moku know the truth, they quick to the church people. I don't know, say, now all these things will happen to you, make you they behave the way they behave. And I know, say, the experiences where you don't get. You did too young to get them. But now the reason we make them talk, say, life, no, they fair at all. At your age, see all the things will don't happen. Oh, reason I want to let you know be this. No matter the person, no matter the age, no matter anything, hope still there. Everybody where you they see, not so them to they carry their own cross. People get plenty things we don't do them. Which did they even do them? Even me with the hair. No be saying everything for my life good. But me waiting they give me joy every time be say, as far as somebody they alive, hope still there. And as I say hope day, even hope they say for you.
even just your eye, where you feel say, oh, you don't blind, the thing don't damage your dreams, you don't damage your hope. No talk like that. God, they change people's story in 1 minute. You feel still see, you get plenty hope. Now young girl you be. No lose hope. I know say sometimes it dey pain. Especially as your mama no even dey, we go dey guide you, all those kind of things, it dey pain. But no lose hope. Hope still dey. But wetin I want tell you be say, no use sadness spoil the joy of today. Because of pain of yesterday. No do am. You see this life, as they show you pepper, that's why they show another person pepper, that's why they show another person shaggy, that's why they show another person banza. But wait till you go to be say, as he pin you for ground, still stand up. Don't let them pin you, hold you for there. You hear me? They say 4, 7 times, stand up 8. No crying again. No crying again, yeah?
No vex.
I know the vex.
Sure.
I know the vex. Yeah, come. Come. Sorry.
Vero, Auntie Vero. Auntie Vero. Auntie Vero.
Sarah.
Auntie Vero. Good morning.
You sleep well?
Yes. You dey clean?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I go like come out today.
Come out?
Yes. I want me to go. All those places where they chop better food, they drink, they dance, they do obule, all those vibes. Yes. I want me to go to those kind of places. You get anyone for mind?
I sabi some places for the town. Yeah, but that one will be make I finish. Once I finish.
I know get any issue. You go clean, finish. If you finish, you will go.
Okay.
But no stress yourself. If you clean, you tire, you rest, yeah?
Okay.
You get this my fine clothes, what want me, I wear. You go help me iron and shoe, clean, finish.
No problem at all.
Oh,
No
yeah.
problem.
Thank you.
All right.
If you tire, you rest, yeah? Okay.
Wait. Sorry. Like this.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
It's okay. Auntie Vero? Today will be a good day. She say,
We could go ugly. Me self, I like to ugly. Give us sweep fast and go to ugly. Let's see.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You can't believe I'm just coming back now.
Oh my God, baby, we spoke yesterday. You didn't even tell me you and your way home.
I wanted to surprise you.
And you know I love surprises. I've missed you so much.
I missed you more, my love. How are you doing?
I'm fine, baby.
Listen, I can't wait to see your pretty face.
I have so many beautiful and sweet, naughty packages for you.
Of course, bring everything here. I'm waiting for you. Bring it.
I love the way you dey shake the nyash, oh. Baby, shake your bum. I'm up and hold down, shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. See that you give me, girl, me I like 'em. Anything you want, girl, me I buy 'em. I go carry you go to Toronto. Enter my motor, make we zoom, zoom, zoom. No be choice, this guy you get it plenty money. I go spend it on you till you shout hallelujah. No be choice, this guy you get it plenty money. I go spend it on you till you shout hallelujah. Hallelujah, all rise on me. Hallelujah, all rise on me. Shake your body now, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you dey shake the nyash, oh. Baby, shake your bum bum. Baby, make you shake your bum bum. Baby, shake your bum bum. I love the way you dey shake the nyash, oh. Baby, shake your bum bum. I'm up and hold down, shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Put it on me, load it on. Shake your bum bum, shake your bum. Make you shake your bum bum, baby, shake.
Ah, why your fan? Why your fan now? You're not supposed to fan now. I never tire.
Sorry.
Even if you don't like her, you suppose just change the music. I don't like the way you think of her. They keep my joy. If you go inside, you go on them again.
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Okay. Yeah, I like the song. I like today, safe the enjoyment where we get today. Hey. Oh. I enjoy myself well. Very, very.
My princess.
Daddy.
How are you?
Daddy.
What's in the happen?
Nothing. Something happened.
You don't think I see you for this mood?
Mm.
Laughing, happy.
Okay. Vero, they make me happy.
Veronica,
Mm-hmm.
are you serious?
Again, a better person. She talked to me. She tell me some things where touch my heart. It really touch my heart. Well. I don't know, so she be better person like that.
Really?
Yes, she tell me say make I not allow the pain of yesterday destroy the joy of today. Say who they alive, na get hope. Who they alive, na win pass. Make I if life puts me down, make I stand up.
That's so
If you
sweet.
fall 7 times, may you get up 8 times. So I come decide say make I let everything wey happen go. Make I just be happy.
That's so sweet of her. Come here, my daughter. Come here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see you in this mood.
Me too. I dey happy.
Yes.
I dey happy.
Have you eaten anything?
Yes, well. We chop plenty. I chop chicken and spaghetti.
Only you, chicken and spaghetti?
Yes. And I buy the food too.
That's awesome. That's good.
We play, we dance.
And you're very happy?
Yes, very, very happy.
Good. Veronica.
Sir?
I want to thank you for everything you've done. Within few weeks, you started working for me. You've done what I was not able to do in years. Many people have come to help my daughter out of the shock and pains her mother's death brought to her, but to no avail. Recently, I've seen my daughter smile, something she hasn't done for years. I mean, you've broken the chain. You have brought peace into her life. My daughter now is, always happy with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. But sir, you don't need to thank me. Yes, Serena, like my small sister will be saying, on the normal days, not what I'm going to do for my little sister, the love, the care, everything. Now the exact thing what they do for Sarah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So it's not like any.
I don't know how else to thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Babe.
Yes, baby.
Hey.
Look at you. How are you doing? I've been expecting you, my love.
Oh, you missed me?
Of course I missed you.
So tell me, what did you miss?
Everything. Everything.
So, have you eaten?
Eating? I've been waiting for you. I want to devour you.
Maybe we can start from here.
Babe, let's go to the room.
No, we can start from here.
Let's go to the room. Silly girl. I missed you, baby girl.
I missed you too.
Come on, get up. Let's go.
Yeah.
I want to get up. Not to you. Baby, you're welcome.
Babe?
Sit. Yes, my love.
What was going on down there with your maid?
My maid?
Yes.
Babe, my maid is doing a great job. I mean, if you see the massive improvement in my daughter, you'll be amazed.
I don't understand.
Baby, that's Veronica practically changed my daughter from her old ways. My daughter that doesn't smile, that's always goofy, always grumpy. Now she smiles. She now plays. She's not happy. You need to see the way she's expressing herself. All because of Veronica. Babe, today is just the greatest day of my life. I'm so happy. I don't know how to say this. I'm just so overwhelmed. And I think I owe that girl something.
Something like what?
No, like I just need to get her something. It's not that serious, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I'm here now. Channel the energy to me. Lift them.
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
I will channel every energy to you, baby.
Are you sure?
I will flip the script and focus on you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure that they have missed you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Look at you.
I missed you too.
You didn't come. You didn't know how long I've been waiting for you. Okay, you know what, baby? Just go freshen up and then come, let me take care of you. Let me give you all the sugar that you've missed.
Okay.
No, you don't need to go with all these things, baby. Just freshen up. This is your home.
Okay.
My baby. Hurry up, baby. I'm waiting for you.
I see that time, waiting Cameroon, they play Nigeria.
You like ball that much?
Where? Welcome, sir.
Good.
Daddy, welcome.
My princess. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yes.
You good?
Yes.
You good? See her smiling.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. You bought this for her?
She said she won't be going.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I bought this for you. All right. Yes. Everything for you.
Now, Uncle.
I was expecting that. I know you must ask me that question. Well, guess what, my princess? I will take you to our favorite suya spot tonight. Suya. All right, let me freshen up. I will join you shortly. All right, good. I know.
Let's buy. Huh? Perfume. Juice.
I will give you.
Baby,
Hi, baby. You're welcome.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Yes, I'm good.
All right. Oh
Baby.
my God.
I thought I saw you with a bag. A shopping bag.
Oh yeah, yes. It was things I bought for Veronica.
The driver.
Yes, the driver.
Why? What for?
There's nothing serious. It's just a form of appreciation. You know, I told you that she has been awesome doing her job, taking care of my daughter and making her happy. So I just thought it wise to buy something for her.
Don't you think she's overdoing it, getting her a gift?
Come on, baby. Overdoing what? Babe, I need to freshen up. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I'm hungry. Let me freshen up and then I'll come meet you, okay?
Okay.
All right, my love.
By the time she comes out, she will fall. They will blame that stupid Vero. They will sack that stupid Vero for her carelessness. That you are too smart. You're too smart. Using one stone to kill two stubborn birds. Rubbish. What are you doing here? I'm asking, what are you doing here? Madam. So, you just dey pour this water so that pikin go injure and then they go start. Forget to even start me. Pikin wey need to see. I don't know what you're talking about. But this thing na wickedness now. This thing na wickedness. And e no good. This type of wickedness at the end of the day go land on top the person head wey do am.
Vero, I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about?
I'm mopping. Are you not seeing it?
You are mopping. Where the mop? You see that wickedness where you plan? It will land on top of your head. That wickedness will land on your head. Are you mad? No, am I even asking? You're mad. You're stupid. Your generation is mad. You're very stupid for looking back at me. You're mad.
Madam, you slapped me.
And I will slap you again if you talk back at me. Are you mad?
You slapped me.
You're coming close to me. You're coming close to me. Are you mad?
Rubbish.
Baby, I did not do anything. No. I was only mopping the floor. The next day she came and said I set a 4 trap for
because
Sarah.
you said something.
I did not. She's like a daughter to me. I will not do that.
But you said something.
I did not.
Make her fall.
You were blind.
Me blind?
Yes. Because if you looked where you said that thing was there. I did not say
she blind. Now she know they see me. I see you. See
you too. You're blind. So the both of you are blind.
The thing where happened, talk and the way they happen.
You know this girl slapped me. Look at my face. This girl slapped me. She slapped me.
But I not even do that one. I saw your face. There, bonbon face. No be my slap. Do you and
Enough.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Enough.
Her, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
What is wrong with you? Huh, Vero?
Sir.
Have you lost your mind?
No, sir.
How dare you?
Sir.
No, are you indirectly calling my woman a liar?
No, sir.
In front of me?
I'm sorry, sir.
Shut up! Don't say anything, my friend. What is wrong? Can't we all live in peace in this house? Shut up! Don't say anything. Now listen, I don't like this stupid and useless argument in my house. Alright? Respect her, she's your madam. Please, how dare you slap her? She said you slapped her, you say you didn't slap her. It's okay. Don't try it again. If you try it next time, I will sack you. I don't joke with her. Am I understood? Good.
Baby, is that all? You will not sack her? No, no, she has to go. No, she has to go. They have to go inside the pack and leave.
Babe, listen. I just said you should try it again. I'll
No, she has tried it. Let her go. Look at. I'm talking. She's folding her hands for me. Look at.
Stand straight.
Remove your hand. No, she has to go. No, she has to go. She disrespected me. She has to leave.
All right, listen, babe. Come.
No, she has to leave.
Can you at least listen to me?
I didn't want to listen to. Did she listen to me when I was talking?
Baby, come on now. Let's go upstairs.
No, she has to go. No, she has to go. Tell her to leave.
Babe, let's go inside.
No, she has to go. Until she goes, then I'll go inside. I'm not going inside with you. She has to go.
Babe.
Come and sack her. She has to go.
Me. I just said let's go inside. We'll
no, she disrespected me. You did not do anything. Now I'm disrespecting you. Want to do something. No, she has to go. She has to go. You're smiling.
Shame on you. They should not sack me. Exactly, they will sack me. Nobody sacked anybody.
You think you've won, right? No. You think you've won, right?
Yes, sir.
Bet me.
Bet what?
By tomorrow morning, you'll be out from this house.
Bet
me now.
Sack me.
You will die.
You don't threaten her.
I will kill you. Bet me.
You don't threaten her.
You will go.
Just bet me. See, before you come from that house, if I do something here.
Where is this one going to?
I beg you. Don't follow like this. Just like this.
You get luck. She dey threaten you.
Leave her, mom. You should be threatening. Excuse me. The next step. Come on. That's what you did.
Baby, I swear to God, I don't like this. I don't like this. Why must you leave that girl? Must you compromise everything as long as it benefits your daughter? Do you even think about me? I cannot stay under the same roof with somebody that insulted me, said all manner of ill things to me. I cannot, oh.
Baby, please, can you calm down?
No, I won't calm down. Because this is embarrassing. Somebody that slapped me, that insulted me, you asked her to stay because of your daughter.
Baby, you know I cannot sack that girl. Considering the fact that she's the only person that can take good care of my daughter.
Yes.
They are compatible. I've told you already. Just calm down.
Exactly. Sarah. All about Sarah. Everything. Sarah. Paint Sarah all over the house. Use it and do any of the paint. Paint her. It's all about Sarah. I don't exist. Venita is insignificant. I don't exist. Must it be about her?
Baby, please. You see this shouting? It doesn't make sense and it doesn't suit you. Can you just talk to me like your man? Please.
Are you behaving like one? You're supposed to sack her. You're supposed to tell her to pack her things. She slapped me.
I am sorry. I've scolded her already. I'm sorry. Sarah will definitely love you. You just have to give her a little time. Please.
But she just joined that Vero to fight me.
Baby, I have told you already. I am sorry. I'll fix everything.
You better fix it too.
You don't need to be shouting.
Okay?
I'm just coming down because I love you. If not, that girl will go this hour, this minute. She will leave.
I know. Can you...
You have to do.
1.
No.
5.
No. Okay, sorry. 4. Almost.
0.
Correct. 0. Yeah, your turn. Your turn.
Okay. You go close eyes now.
Why? Why no
Me, I
close
know
now?
the see.
Okay. I'm close now. 5.
4. Okay.
This is getting too much for me to overlook. If I don't do anything now, Sarah will gradually lure Vero to Sam. And all my effort in this relationship will be a waste. Imagine he buys things for her now. If he wants to hang out with Sarah, Sarah will ask that Vero follow them. Slowly, this small river will turn to ocean that will swallow me. Never. I can't lose out on this. Should I poison them? Come on, they don't even eat my food. They don't even come close to me. Venita, you need to come up with a better plan and fast.
2.
4.
10.
Ah! 1. 5.
4.
Okay. 3.
10.
Venita! Venita!
Yes, my guy. You don't understand. My heart is shattered. I never knew Venita is capable of murder. Someone I love with all my heart. I sacrificed everything for that girl. Bro, you don't understand. Police arrested her already. And trust me, she must face the full wrath of the law. Can you imagine? And do you know the funniest part of it all? I wanted to propose to that girl this very month. Everything was just ready, bro. Everything was ready. It's fine, it's fine. 6 years of being single. Now I ended up with someone that is capable of murder. But it's good. I don't know what to do. I can't just dive into a relationship again. All right, bro. I will talk to you later. I'm not coming to work. Let's just see over the weekend. All right.
But Daddy.
Yeah.
Why you go dey find wife outside when you get woman inside?
What do you mean by that?
I know wetin I dey talk. Vero no be woman. Abi she no rich. You just dey act like say you blind. Na me blind though. But I can't dey see pass you. Yes, I know they see Vero face to face. But few times when me and her don dey, me I like the vibe which they give me. And true, she be better person. Abi she no fine. Man know why I stand the top. She no fine.
Veronica, she's beautiful.
I been on her backside because I know say her backside they use to judge women. Na backside she no get.
Yeah, just come off it. Come off it.
No, I want just help you because I know say tomorrow go see end up go carry devil you know is better than angel you don't know. Make you check well oh. I know why they talk am check well oh. Vero na better person oh. Make another hand you know go carry your property. You understand? You understand?
I've heard you.
Check where. And Vero, you mean like person where she fair, abi? She fair, abi?
She's dark in complexion.
Now your color. Your color, it go fit you now. It go fit you well. Grab them now. Grab your copy before you go enter market. Now tell you something. No, say. Me, I defeat saying my pa like you. You know.
This weekend, as a small reason. Okay, I can ask you first. What do you know about like?
I know what they talk. Me, I not say my papa don't they like you. Say, okay, you talk true. You not like my papa.
You say anything?
You not like my daddy.
Because I'm big.
You not like
which kind of examination of this one?
You like.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Daddy, good afternoon, Daddy.
My beautiful daughter. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
I can see you guys are having a good time.
Yes, sir.
I did gist her.
You are gisting her? Okay, so tell me, what was the gist about?
Nothing more once. Narrate give her. So now what will they talk about? She they give me what she think. Now they tell her what to say I think.
Vero.
Sir.
You see, I must appreciate you for everything you've been doing in this house. You have been so kind, and I must say you have done extremely well for my daughter. I mean, you can see she smiles often now. She's happier. She now expresses herself because of you. Before you came, she has been moody, grumpy, always nagging and, being kind of rude, but you changed that. I must commend you for that.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. So, to that effect, I want to propose something. I know you've been good. You've been doing your work diligently. So, I want to take your work to the next level. Meaning, I don't want you to, work for her as a driver or a domestic staff, right? I will get new people to handle those work. But I want you to see her like a sister. Take care of her like a sister that you have always been. You understand? Yeah. But that doesn't mean I'll stop paying you your salary. Okay? And if you want anything, you want to go back to school, you want to start up a new business or anything you want to do and you need my support, do not hesitate to let me know. I'll always support you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Serafina.
Daddy.
You good?
Yes.
Okay. And then to wrap up everything, Veronica.
Sir.
I like you.
Sir?
Oh my baby, what I'm feeling for you is real. 'Cause you know that I'm in love. I'm in love with you. Far beyond where the eyes can